Hello guys, today I decided to do a quick unboxing video and I will be talking about the Xiaomi Redmi AirDots. So this is the box. This is the box of the earphones that serves also as a charger for the earphones. But first we're gonna see what's inside the box. We have a book, it's in Chinese only, and we also have these things here for the replacement for the earphones. These are three sizes. I'm using the small one. So basically this is the box, is in Chinese only, that tells you how to connect the device, etc. Now I'm gonna try, even though the box is in Chinese, but I think I already know the specifications. So this here, 40 milliamps should be the capacity of the earphone battery. 40 milliamps, and 300 milliamps, I think it's the box battery. So this uses Bluetooth 5.0. It's in Chinese. Don't fully understand, but I've been using these earphones for over 2 weeks now, and I highly recommend these earphones, because these earphones are very good for its price. These will cost around $25 US. I will put a link down in the description where you can buy them. And see, right now this is charging. You can connect these earphones as regular devices on your Bluetooth app, and after connecting them and listening to music, etc., you may put them here. As you can see, we have a magnetic field going on, so the earphones won't fall off. So very strong, they won't fall off. And one quick tip, I don't know if this serves as a tip, but when you connect the Bluetooth on your phone, this will automatically disconnect from the device when you put the right earpiece first on the box. You have them to listening to music, etc. Now when you put the first one, the right one, on the box, you see this light says that the device is charging. And second, you put the left one. When you put the first one in the box, the earpiece will disconnect from your device. So here we have the standard USB charging. I will demonstrate how this works by using a power bank. You can charge it using your power brick or another form of power supply. Now I can make another video, but I will include it in this one. This brand has very quality products. The power bank is very nice. I've been using this power bank for a while now, charging the Google Pixel 2 XL and the Xiaomi Mi A2. This one is a really nice power bank. Also, one thing to mention, you don't get on the box a USB cable, so you need to use your own one. Lucky for me, this cable was on the box of the power bank. See, you can connect turn on the power bank. See we got any juice. Okay, see this works. Also, when charging, the earphone box, will have an LED light here flashing red, so you will understand that this is charging. So, I mean, the question is this valuable for $25? Using these for 2 weeks, I will tell you that these earphones will have a good battery life. Using these for nearly a month now, or over 2 weeks, I need to tell you that these earpieces are very good for its price, and for $25 you cannot buy anything better than this. I mean, you have variable choices, but you cannot find something better than this for $25. So you may find some fake earpods or something else, but this is a brand. This is a brand thing, and it's original, and you cannot find something better, much more better for $25. So hit the link in the description if you want to buy them. Now I'm gonna close the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed my review, and I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe for more.